Welcome to Daily News Headlines, September 15, 2023. Headline number 1. UAW strike hits Detroit Big Three. Around 12,700 workers are on strike after the United Auto Workers Union and General Motors, Ford Motor and Stellantis failed to agree on new labor contracts. The strike, which started after midnight Friday, affects plants in Michigan, Ohio and Missouri. The action is the start of what could be a series of sporadic walkouts done without notice at additional auto factories, said the Wall Street Journal. Sticking points on the bargaining table include pay raises, cost of living adjustments and retiree medical benefits. It's the first time in the union's 88-year history that strikes have occurred at all three companies. The union counts 150,000 members across the three automakers. Headline number 2. Salesforce wants to hire over 3K. Salesforce will hire over 3,000 people, said CEO Marc Benioff at the company's annual Dreamforce conference Thursday. The news comes after the business cut around 10% of its workforce earlier this year. The roles will be in sales, engineering and with the team that works on the company's data cloud product, per Bloomberg, as Salesforce invests further into its AI offerings. Benioff, who had threatened to move San Francisco's largest conference because of the city's high-profile struggles with drug use and homelessness, said SF had been shiny and safe during the event. Google recently confirmed it would move its Cloud Next event to Las Vegas, while Meta and IBM's Red Hat have also canceled or moved major events. Headline number 3. Disney and ABC sale talks, BBG. Is Disney in the early stages of dismantling its broadcasting portfolio? The entertainment giant has held exploratory talks about selling its ABC network and TV stations to Nexstar Media Group, Bloomberg reports, citing anonymous sources. Neither Nexstar nor Disney has commented on the report, but Disney CEO Bob Iger said in July that traditional networks may not be core to Disney, as the company focuses on making its streaming business profitable. One potential snag could be Disney-owned ESPN's use of ABC to broadcast sports events, former Nexstar president Tom Carter says. Byron Allen has also held talks with Disney regarding ABC, sources tell Bloomberg. Allen's firm owns 36 network affiliates and a dozen 24-hour networks, including the Weather Channel. Disney Plus is unlikely to reach its goal of 215 million to 245 million subscribers in 2024, Bloomberg reports, citing anonymous sources. Headline number 4. Instacart mulls IPO price hike. Inspired by ARM's blockbuster launch on the Nasdaq Thursday, Instacart is looking to boost the target price for its IPO next week, reports the Wall Street Journal, citing anonymous sources. While the grocery delivery company had originally intended to sell shares at $26 to $28 each, it's now seeking $28 to $30, with the amended SEC filing coming as early as Friday. The new price could potentially raise its valuation to almost $10 billion on a fully diluted basis, a big drop from its $39 billion valuation just 2 years ago, before investor interest in startups took a big hit. Instacart, which has been around since 2012, has stayed profitable by expanding beyond groceries and into advertising and software. In an unusual move, competitor DoorDash is transferring its stock listing from the NYSE to the Nasdaq ahead of its own planned IPO September 27. Headline number 5. Lee barrels up U.S. East Coast. Authorities are warning East Coast residents about the potency of Hurricane Lee as it barrels towards the U.S.-Canada border, where it's expected to make landfall Saturday. While Lee is weakening as it moves north, dropping from a Category 5 to Category 1 hurricane, it still comes with winds of up to 80 miles an hour. It's projected to cause a significant storm surge and deadly riptides up and down the East Coast, and dump up to 4 inches of rain in several areas of New England. Power company Eversource warned Cape Cod customers they could be without power for days. Fact of the day. Barbie toy sales are up 25% since the Barbie movie came out. Thanks for watching.